Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about the reason why YouTube is not recommending your videos, why you are not getting views the way you want. Do you know there are some certain things that you might be doing wrong on your video that you don't know? By that reason, it's causing algorithm not to push out your videos the way you want. You know, the people that are clicking your videos, if they are not the right audience, they will click out of your video. They will not watch it longer. The average view will be low. All these things will cause algorithm not to push your video out the way it's supposed to push it out. So I'll be sharing with you things to do to make algorithm to push your video out well. One thing I'll first talk about is your channel keywords. How are you using your channel keywords? You know about channel keywords, right? If you don't know about channel keywords, I'll put it on the screen now. This is what is called channel keywords. For algorithm to push out your video well to the right people, you have to make use of your channel keywords. Your channel keywords must include what you want to be talking about in that your channel. So now, if your channel keywords is not well put together, you are putting the wrong keywords to it. Maybe now, for example, like my niche, you need to put keywords that will represent what your video is all about. You need to put channel keywords that will represent what your video is all about. If you don't know it, please search it. You can use ChatGPT to check. Ask ChatGPT to give you channel keywords, to just write some things like explain what your channel is all about for ChatGPT to be able to give you the best optimized channel keyword. So explain what your channel is all about, what you want to be doing on your channel. So when you explain that to ChatGPT, it will give you the right best channel keywords. When you put your channel keywords, algorithm will be able to know, oh, this is what your channel is all about. Algorithm will be able to push your video out well to the right audience. You know, it has known your video now. It knows everything about you. It knows what you want to be talking about in your videos. Anytime you upload on your channel, it will start pushing it out to the right audience. So number one thing you must do is put the right channel keywords. If you don't put the right channel keywords, it will be pushing out your videos to the wrong audience, which will affect your average view duration. And what is average view duration? Your average view duration is very, very important for algorithm to be able to further push out your video, because if your average view duration is low, algorithm will not push your video out so well. And again, for you to optimize your channel keywords, you can also use rapidtags.ai. It will be on the screen, so check it out. Just type everything about your channel, what you want to be posting in your channel, put it there, then it will give you keywords that you can add to it. And number two that I'll talk about is categorize your video. Always categorize your video. Anytime you want to upload, for example, my niche is lifestyle niche, right? Under upload default, go to advanced settings. When you get to advanced settings, you see your category. Under that category, pick the right category that is meant for your niche. If it's educational niche, you have to put educational niche there. And if it's entertainment niche, you have to put entertainment niche there. So if you don't put all these things, algorithm will not be able to know the kind of video you want to be uploading. And if you upload it out to random people are not interested in your video, they will click out, and which will affect your average view duration again, as I said earlier. So all these things are very, very important. Number one I talked about is your channel keywords. Make sure you put the right channel keywords to your channel. Number two is categorize your video. Make sure you use the right category on your channel. Make sure the category that is your channel is the right category, so don't put the wrong category there. Number three that I will talk about again is making use of channel general tags. If you are not making use of it well, it is totally wrong. It will not give you views the way you're supposed to have it. Make sure you are using the right channel tags for your videos. Each videos you are uploading, you know the kind of videos. Like for example, you want to upload how to grow. You know the kind of tags that you can use. I will show it on the screen now. So this is the kind of tags you can use on that particular topic. If you don't know the kind of tags you can use, just check rapidtags.io to generate tags that you can use that will push out your video, and algorithm will be able to know what your video is all about. You can use ChatGPT also. So again, number 4, I've talked about 3, right? So again, number 4 I will say is wrong audience signal. Wrong audience signal. If YouTube is pushing out your video to the wrong audience, forget it. You will not see views, because okay, for instance, now you just upload video, YouTube will push it out normal. It will push it out to people, maybe your subscribers, or it depends on how you upload your video. If you have a good subscriber, that's why I said in one of my videos I talked about the way to upload right. If you don't upload your video right, YouTube also will not be able to push it out well to the right audience. So if you upload your video anyhow, it will push it out to the wrong audience, and wrong audience will affect your video. Wrong audience will affect the visibility in that particular video. In fact, generally to affect your channel, because YouTube will see that your channel is not really giving out what people want. So it will not, anytime you upload, it will not consider it like that. It will not push out your video the way it's supposed to push it out, like the way it's pushing out all these big YouTubers videos. So know what you are doing. If you are on this YouTube, know the right way to upload. All the strategies, you must implement it on each of your videos. So know the way you upload, and upload the right way. By me saying, okay, let me just talk about it. Uploading the right way, I meant by, if you have subscribers now, all those your subscribers, if you get it in a wrong way, I can say in the wrong way, because if you are using YouTube Shorts to get your subscribers, or sub to sub, maybe subs to sub in a way that maybe your family members, they are not really watching it well, and some family members they have interest in your video, so I can't really say. But when you know particularly that the way you get your subscription is not the way you get your subscribers is not really okay, that whenever you upload your videos, your subscribers are not watching your videos, know how to do it. When you have such subscribers, anytime you upload, don't put it, I'll show it on the screen now. Don't tick this particular one, don't tick it anytime you upload, just put it normal. Put this particular one there. When you upload like that, algorithm will be able to find your own right audience for that particular video. It will be able to push it out to them. But if you take this particular one, it will push it out to them, and if they don't watch your video, to stop recommending your videos. That's the reason why I say you should always upload the right way. When you upload the right way, it will give algorithm the chance to push it out to the right audience. So when the right audience watch your video, of course, it will keep pushing it out more to more people that want it. YouTube, they knows what you are watching, they knows our data, they know our what we can have interest in. Already know set of people that can like your video, that can watch your video to the end. Even though if it's not to the end, at least the average view duration will be okay. So it knows all those kind of things. So when you give algorithm the right thing, the right metadata to push out your video to the right people, it will push it out to them. But if you don't give algorithm the well detailed information about that particular video you are uploading, it will just push it out. It will just push it out to random people. It will destroy your average view rate, and average view rate is the most important, is the most important thing for algorithms to be. Is like a food for algorithm. That's his own food. So when your average view rate is really okay, it will be able to push it out to more people. It knows that people like this particular video. Basically, that's how people get views. When people like your content, when people like the kind of things you are giving them, the kind of videos you are sharing on your channel, what they subscribe for, you are giving it to them to show out your videos to more audience, to more people. By that, even though if they don't subscribe to your channel, one day they will still subscribe because it will keep pushing out your videos to them. Whenever you upload, they know, already know they like your video. It's just that they don't subscribe, but eventually they will subscribe if you are giving them the right videos that they want at all time. This leads me to another tips, which is giving out videos that people want. People that subscribe to you, your audience, your viewers, you'll keep giving out what they want at all time, not another thing. That's why some people normally say it's good to niche down. So niching down also help. So when you keep giving it to them what they want, your audience what they want, not even subscribers, don't let me use the word subscribers, is included too. So if you keep giving out what they want to your audience, even though if they've not subscribed, eventually they will subscribe to your channel. And again, try and always, like a small YouTuber like me, please subscribe to my channel. If you are enjoying this video up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please, you are not doing this particular channel well, because it's a new channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It will give me encouragement to do more. I will feel that kind of, oh, people like my video, that's why they subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll be really, really happy that you subscribe. God bless you. Thank you. This particular thing I just talked about, which is you subscribing to my channel, it leads me to it. If you are a small YouTuber and you are not using the word subscribe on your video, always tell people to subscribe to your channel. Sure you get, because you need it. This stage that you are, you actually need subscribers for you to be able to reach that monetization state. Sure you get. So always tell people to subscribe to your channel no matter what. Even though you will not say it with your mouth, just put this kind of, all those logos, try and put it on every of your videos. Then again, I will talk about people using wrong tags. Oh, they like, please stop using wrong tags. If you know the kind of videos, like now, you know the kind of videos you are making, right? So even though you don't know how to come up with the tags, this rapidtag.ai will give you tags. As I said earlier, it will give you tags, and ChatGPT is there. Please make use of it well. If you are making use of it well, the way you're supposed to use it, one of my videos I talked about it. In that particular video, I share with you what you can copy and paste whenever you want to generate tags. So please check that video also. It will help. You can just copy that particular word and change some things in that particular words that I put. Then it depends on the video you are making. So just change some things there. Sit on ChatGPT. It will create tags and description. So make sure you are using your hashtag the right way. Don't use random hashtag like viral, go viral, this kind of hashtag that does not relate to your topic, that does not relate to your video. Please don't use it. Give algorithm the right thing. Let it know what your video is all about. Even though you don't have view now, you eventually have view later on. When people are searching, when your video, when your title, everything is searchable, your thumbnail and everything, you put them well. If they are searchable, seriously, even though you don't have view now, you still get view eventually, because it is searchable. People will still eventually search it and see it. So make sure you know what you are doing. Again, I will say stick to a particular video, which I think I've talked about it. I don't know how to stress that word out. It's very, very important. Make sure you are sticking to a particular niche. Don't just do any niche randomly, like my lifestyle, or you can be on lifestyle and let that be your everything about that particular channel. Let it be like that. Don't make random video. Don't make any other video. All the video that you be making, make sure they make sense. People are interested in it, and make sure they are really searchable. Your title, your tags and all, make sure everything is intact and they are searchable. So most important thing is your tags. Make sure you put it well. Your description, make sure you put it well. Your thumbnail, number one, that's your packaging. Please make sure you put it well, because if you are saying something vital in that your video, people will not know. You have to make sure your thumbnail is well put together. In your thumbnail, make sure you add words like SEO. Let SEO be in your thumbnail. Like what is on your title, let small part, maybe 1 word or 2 words, let it be on your title also. Make sure all round you optimize everything with keywords, your title, your tags, your description. Everything is well packaged. Even your video, everything you be saying in your video, make sure you're making use of SEO in your words. Make sure you put keywords in your intro. Make sure keywords are there. As I said, your videos, what you are saying in that particular video, make use of keywords in your words, make use of keywords in your title, make use of keywords in your description, make use of keywords in your thumbnail. All round, let keywords be there. So by this, you get view now. No matter what, you get view. Even though you don't have view now, please hold on. We are just like me now. I'm just starting. I know I will still get view. So it is very, very certain because keywords are there. They are there. So make sure you put keywords on your video. Make sure every video you are giving out, every video you are uploading, it is well searchable. The titles you are using, it is well searchable. People are searching for it. And make sure you are bringing out valuable content to all your viewers. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be so happy that you subscribe. God bless you.